Hi friends, and welcome back to my channel. So today we're going to do something a little bit different. SHEIN has invited me to model some outfits for y'all, some outfits of my choosing from a segment that they provided to us, and I went ahead and chose a few outfits that are good for, like, you know, date night and for the office perhaps, or maybe something a little bit of a dressy occasion, but not black tie or anything like that. And so I chose a few fun outfits, and I will show them to you how they look on me. Now, disclosure, I am not a model, I am not a makeup guru, nor a fashion guru. Those things are like at the bottom. They didn't even make it to my bucket list, okay? So makeup and fashion is not my thing, but I'm game. I'm willing to play along, you know, get out of my comfort zone, right? And so, anywho, I'm gonna show you how some things, how these clothes came out of the bags, I got a huge box, came out of the bag, and some of these clothes, granted, I have shed a lot of weight, and some of them are gonna be a little bit on the big side. Okay, so sorry if the camera's shaking and my hands are shaking. And so, yeah, without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and show you these outfits. And if you're interested in anything that I have to share with you in this video, go ahead and check out the links below. And you may also use my special discount that I will provide for you in the area right underneath this video. So without further ado, let's go ahead and do the SHEIN runway, fall runway share thingamajiggy. I hope I said that right.